All right, let's dive in. Today we're tackling a big one, how to roll out a corporate AI assistant, something like Microsoft Copilot. But look, this isn't just about flipping a switch and hoping for the best. We're going to treat this like a strategic mission, with a real playbook for success. So let's open up that playbook and get this mission started.
So here's the million-dollar question, right? How do you unleash AI on your business without, well, without all the risk? I mean, you see the incredible potential, you know it's a game changer, but you're also thinking, what about our data security? What's this going to cost? How complex is this whole thing? It really feels like you're being forced to choose between jumping ahead and, playing it safe. But what if you didn't have to choose? What if there was a way to have both? Well, there is. The answer, straight from the experts, is to treat this whole thing like a super focused, totally controlled 6-week mission. It's all about a pilot program that lets you get all those amazing benefits while keeping a tight lid on every single one of those risks.
Okay, so what does this mission plan actually look like? Well, we're not talking about a full-scale invasion here. It's much smarter than that. We're starting with a strategic pilot program. Think of it like a special ops recon mission. You go in small, you map the terrain, you prove the value, all before you commit the main force. And here it is. This is your mission map. This whole 6-week timeline breaks the entire operation down into these really clear, super manageable phases. You see? We start with the basics, like licensing and setup. Then we prep the data. After that, we launch with a small team, we support them, and at the end, we measure the results. It's a genuine step-by-step path to success. So, let's be super clear. What is a pilot program exactly? Well, think of it like a test flight, but for your business. It's small scale, really controlled. We're talking just 5 to 10 people over about 6 weeks. And the goals? They're crystal clear. First, prove this thing actually helps people do their jobs. Second, make absolutely sure your company's sensitive info stays locked down. And third, gather all the intel you need to plan for a big, successful, company-wide rollout. Any successful mission, and I mean any mission, starts with really careful preparation, right? Before you even think about launching, you have to get your gear sorted out and your intelligence in order. This first phase is all about laying that solid groundwork, making sure everything goes off without a single hitch. And we can actually break all this prep work down into 3 really simple steps. Step 1, get the licenses. That's your key to the tech. Step 2, secure your data. You gotta lock down that intel. And step 3, feed the AI. You need to give it the right knowledge to actually be useful. Simple, right? Let's take them one by one. Okay, first up, licenses. So Copilot is an add-on. It's about $30 a month per user. And yeah, you do need a base Microsoft 365 license already, something like Business Premium. But here's the part you really need to pay attention to. There's a 12-month commitment for every seat you buy. That's right, even for a pilot, you're in for a year, so just be aware of that. The good news? Your tech partner or MSP can usually handle all the paperwork for you. All right, on to step 2. And listen, this one is absolutely critical. Securing your data. It's all about making sure that your shiny new AI assistant doesn't, accidentally share the company's secret recipe with someone who shouldn't see it. You've got to build the digital fences before you let the AI start roaming around. And this hits on one of the biggest fears people have, right? That the AI is just going to vacuum up all your company data and spill all your secrets. But the most important thing to get from this is that Copilot is not a free-for-all. It's not a carte blanche. It literally cannot read files that a user isn't already allowed to see. That's huge. So how do you make sure that's the case? Well, you start by doing a little housekeeping. You audit your permissions in SharePoint and OneDrive. You get rid of those really broad access groups. You know the ones, like everyone except external users. The key thing to remember is that Copilot respects all your existing security rules. Things like sensitivity labels, it honors them. It works within your security framework, not around it.
And finally, step 3, feeding the AI. The best way to think about this is like you're giving your new assistant a hand-picked library of your company's own books to read. Your HR policies, your sales playbooks, your project reports. This is called data grounding, and it's what makes the AI so powerful. You're teaching it with your own trusted information. That's what makes it your company's assistant, not just some generic tool. Okay, all that groundwork is laid. Prep is done. It's time for launch. This is where all that hard work pays off. We're ready to put the AI into the hands of a very select group of users. The pilot mission is officially a go. So who gets to be on this elite pilot team? Well, you're going to want to keep it small. Think 5 to 10 people. And the key here is getting the right mix. You definitely want some of those enthusiastic early adopters, the people who just love new tech.
But you also need some key stakeholders, the people whose buy-in is absolutely crucial later on. Oh, and make sure their daily work actually lines up with the data you prepared for the AI. And one last thing, having an executive sponsor to champion the whole thing, that's a massive plus. But hold on. You can have the best team and the best tech in the world, but they will fail without proper training. It's true. You just can't hand people a tool this powerful and expect them to figure it out on their own. A truly successful mission depends entirely on a great kickoff and really solid training. So, your kickoff training needs to cover these essentials. First, show them what it can do right inside the apps they already live in, like Teams and Word. And be real with them. Explain what Copilot can do, but also what it can't do. Reassure them again about security. You can't say that enough. And this part is so important. You have to teach them how to write good, effective prompts. And finally, set up a support channel, like a Teams channel, so they have a place to ask questions and share feedback. All right, fast forward 6 weeks. The mission is complete. Now it's time for the debrief. This is the moment of truth. This is where we look at all the data, we gather all the user feedback, and we answer the big one. Was it worth it? And wow, this really shows you the payoff in black and white. So based on the playbook figures, a pilot might cost you, say, around $5,000 for the project itself, plus the licenses. But look at the value side. The productivity gains, just based on those 10 users saving about 3 hours a week, could be worth around $9,000. So the value is already blowing past the cost, and that's just in the 6-week pilot. And what happens if you project that out over a whole year? Well, the potential return on investment is just staggering. We're talking about a projected yearly ROI of around 150%. Now, that is the kind of number that makes for a very, very easy conversation when you're making the case for a full rollout. So let's just recap the mission outcomes at a glance. We had a 6-week pilot, 10 users from different parts of the company. On average, they saved 2 to 3 hours every single week. And maybe the most important metric of all, user satisfaction was through the roof. 9 out of 10 people found it valuable. I mean, those are the signs of a seriously successful mission. But numbers only tell you part of the story. You have to hear what the actual people said. Here's a quote from someone in HR who was in the pilot. Copilot was like having a first draft written for me, a big time saver. And that's it, right there. That's the human impact. It's about getting rid of that blank page paralysis and giving people back their most valuable resource, their time. So, what's the big takeaway from all of this? The evidence is just crystal clear. A structured, well-planned pilot program is absolutely the best way to de-risk a major AI deployment. And at the same time, it proves with your own data and your own people that this technology delivers real, tangible value. So there you have it. You've seen the playbook, the entire mission plan, from the prep all the way to the payoff. The path to bringing AI into your business safely and effectively is laid out right in front of you. So really, there's only one question left to ask. When are you going to launch?